Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Golf wiper blades. First, lift the wiper arm away from the glass and secure it by hand. Press the release tab on the old blade and slide it off carefully to avoid scratching. Align the new blade with the hook and snap it into place until you hear a click. Lower the arm gently back onto the windshield and test the sweep to confirm proper fit and function. Use caution when lifting the arm to avoid it snapping back and cracking glass. Hold the arm with one hand while you press the release tab with the other. Slide the blade downwards away from the hook and detach it, keeping fingers clear of the metal edge. Inspect the arm and remove any clips or adapters left behind. Clean the windshield area where the blade rested to remove debris and residue. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping so you can focus on car tasks while it handles the floors. It's a handy time saver after dirty glove box or floor mat work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check the replacement blade for the correct adapter before installation, as VW Golf models use specific hook types. Slide the new blade into the arm hook and push until you hear or feel a secure click. Tug lightly to confirm it is locked and aligned properly. Carefully lower the arm back to the glass and spray washer fluid to cycle the blades. Verify there is a full, streak-free sweep across the windshield for safe visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.